I have to trek. I have to stop YouTube and
Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. How you all doing? Hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, I've been willing to make this video for the longest time if I can remember, but today at least I have a chance. But I'm not going to be talking about everything I want to say, but I'm going to talk about an important one. So many people have asked me questions on this topic I'm about to talk about. So today I'm going to be sharing everything I did, what I did to be able to achieve that. Any noise in the background, please just forgive me. My 1-year-old baby is around, so please just bear with me. If it's your first time coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Chinwe. I'm a mom of 4. I live in Italy. So guys, I want to share my experience on how I was able to achieve my driver's license here in Italy in a short period of time. Yes, why I said a short period of time. So if you'll be following my channel, you know I'm a new immigrant here in Italy. I'm just barely 1 year and few months in Italy, so it's something I would say that um it took me by chalk, or getting it wasn't easy, but I give God the glory that at the end of the day, hard work pays. First of all, start with that driver's license in Italy is very difficult to get, but not as difficult as people tell or people say about it. um if I say it's not as difficult, because I don't understand the language, I don't speak the language, but I was able to still get it, meaning it shouldn't be that difficult. So it's not as difficult as how people tend to put it or what people say about it. So it's something that is achievable, it's something that you can be able to get. If you are a new immigrant in Italy, it's good for you to start studying your driver's license. It's easier for you now that you've not started school or you've not started working. You are still in the documentation process, or rather you don't have anything that is choking your brain right now. It is easy and it is better for you to start studying right now. People will say, okay, but or you say, okay, that the language is always a barrier. Yes, language is always a barrier, but one thing I've come to understand is that even if you're not speaking the language, even if you're not understanding the language, you can be able to achieve it. I don't speak Italian. I don't even understand Italian, but I was able to do this. So if I can do this, you can do it. So I want to encourage every new immigrant. If you are just coming into Italy, you have been here for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, even months, I will advise you to start studying for your driver's license. Reason why, for you to make for your life to be easy, or for things to be easy for you here in Italy, you need car. I'm telling you the truth. I will use myself as an example. My husband is not driving. Not that he wasn't driving before. He was driving before, but he had issue with his driver's license. Barely few months that we were supposed to come to Italy, he had issue with his driver's license. So he was no longer driving, but we have a car. We have a car parked in the garage. So when we came into Italy, it was so difficult navigating, especially when you want to go for visa, you want to go for appointments, you want to go to take the kids to school. It was so difficult for us. We could not navigate it, but we're trying our best. But guys, I will tell you the honest truth, it's very, very difficult. We have to use school bus for the children because the code was much on them and we don't have a car, so we have to pay. So not having a car in Italy makes you spend more. I will tell you that, makes you spend more. Bus or the transport system here in Italy is being regulated, unlike back home where I'm coming from, where the bus system is always, anytime you just want to go out, the bus is available for you to take. But for Italy, is regulated, and for my city, the bus is regulated that it comes every 1 hour. So you can see the difficulty there. It comes every 1 hour. So if I have an appointment for like 9:30, I have to take like 7:40 bus. Maybe when I get to the city, I have to trek to where I have the appointment. So you see, all this struggle and this stress is something that can be avoidable, or something that can be taken off your shoulder if you study for the Italian driver's license. So this brought me back to the language barrier. I know language barrier, yes, is there, but it's something that is achievable. Yes, it's something that you can be able to do this. So someone asked me, how did I study? I started studying for my driver's license June last year, and I wrote the exam January this year, and I got it. My first time writing the exam, I got it on my first trial. And this is something that even those that owns the language, the Italians, they tend to fail the exam. Even those that think they speak very well still fails the exam. But I was able to achieve it because I studied. So if you want to study for your driver's license, I'll first of all say that you should start on time. As a newcomer here in Italy, is the best time ever. I won't lie to you. It's the best time ever for you to start studying for your driver's license. Don't wait. Because don't wait. Don't say, when I start working or when I know the language better, I will start. No, don't wait. Start now. Start now. How I studied, let me tell you my own experience. How I studied is that I didn't go to any driving school. No, I didn't register in any auto scholar. I didn't register with any driving school. What I did, I studied online. Yes, I studied online. So I went to YouTube, I went to TikTok, and I searched for people that especially Nigerians that teach this driving lessons online. They will break it to your own understanding. They will make you understand the language in English form. Yes, in an English form, they will make you understand the language. So I went there. I was able to source for a good teacher, which I'm going to put her description on my caption, or rather in my, I'm going to put her handle, everything about her in my description box, so you can as well check her out. She's very, very good. She's going to explain it for you. She's going to teach you in the best way that you will understand it. So studying Italian driving license, studying in Italian and English have some words that are similar. So if you understand English very, very well, you can be able to do this. I will assure you that you can be able to do this. So I studied online. And for me to be able to get this, I have to let go of my content creation. So if you notice, from that period I was no longer posting. I had to choose which one comes first. I know my content creating is very important, but this driving of a thing is very, very, very important for my family. Taking my kids to school, taking them for appointments, even for me to work. If I have to work here in Italy, one of the criteria is that you must have a driver's license. You must be mobile. So it is one of their criteria. So since I am still nursing my newborn baby, I decided to use that opportunity to juggle everything. So I had to stop YouTube and concentrate on it, because studying for Italian driver license need every attention you can get. Because if you leave studying for like 2 days, the driving, the ones you have learned will leave you. That is how it is. The ones you have learned will leave you. So it's something that you have to follow back to back, back to back. So every day, every night, I was always online. Very fast, so very fast, so very fast, so very fast. So even I had eye problem I had that during that period. I had eye problem. My eyes was aching me, my eyes was paining me. I had eye issue, but at the end of the day, everything pay out. So even if you're not in Italy, even if even if you're not in Italy yet, you're planning to come to Italy, you've started your process, I will tell you back home that you can still be able to do it. As you're at home, as you are in Nigeria or any country you are, start studying for your driver's license. Start studying for your driver's license, because when you come into this country, you will know how important it is to get a driver's license. So I've told you how I studied. I did not go to any driving school. I studied here at home, just with my phone, connected to a teacher, a Nigerian teacher, and they taught me. They broke it down to my own understanding. They taught me everything, because I don't understand the language, so they were able to teach me in English. And let me tell you guys something. When writing the exam, you don't write the exam in English, because there is no English. It's either you write the exam in Italian, French, or German. So there is no English. So though I was being taught in English, but it was almost, I don't know, I'm going to explain it more. When you join the class, you will know how it is. Yes, it's written in Italian. So they will read that Italian, they will break it down, they will explain it, for you in English, so that when you see a particular word, you already know the meaning of it in English. So it's something that is achievable. I'll tell you honestly, I don't understand the language. I don't even speak the language. So it's something that is achievable. Like today, I went for my third time practical, driving practical. Though my instructor speaks a little bit of English, but he speaks Italian as well, but he's not easy. But I was able to pick one or two, and we are doing it. So if I can do it, you can also do it. So don't look at it as something that is too tedious or too hard to achieve. The earlier the better. If you want your life to be easy here in Italy, start studying for your Italian driver's license right now. As you finish watching this video, just go to YouTube, go to TikTok, and start looking for teachers that teach Patete B, and look for the one you understand better. But I'll tell you, if you follow the one who taught me, at least you've seen living proof of who taught me. You've seen the proof. If you follow that one, fine, you will get a good result in less than 3 6. For we that don't understand the language, I will tell you 6 months, 1 year. If you're a fast learner, 6 months, at most 6 months, you've gotten it. If you're the slow type, I give you 1 year, you've gotten it. But let me tell you something. Once, when I was studying for like 3 4 months, I was already getting bits of it. But I had to wait till I get to like 6 months. I want to understand everything, make sure that when I get to the exam hall, even if I want to fail, let me fail just one. And I made sure that I studied to the extent that even people that I was studying, we were telling me, you look as if you're the one that wrote the questions. No, just that I have studied. I studied it. That if you tap me now, I'll be able to explain it for you in English, what this and that means. And I'm even the one teaching my husband right now. She just plays it. As he's playing it in Italian, I'm listening to it. I already know the answer. So it's something that you can do. I'll tell you the honest truth. Let nobody deceive you that getting a driver's license here or studying for it is very hard. Yes, you need hard work, you need patience, you need God. You have to God first and everything, but it's something that is achievable. If you put your mind, if you put your heart, if you put your soul in it, you can get it. Hope I've shared a little bit light. If there's anything you want me to explain, or if there's anything you want me to tell you about, just drop it in the comment section. I will make a video on that. So thank you for watching up to this extent. I don't know if I said something or I'm just ranting, but whatever it is, pick one or two and you get something from it. Thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, leave your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have gone through this process before, please, I want you to also drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let everybody learn. People are there. Let people know that this thing is possible. Even this year or last year, Italian statistics rated that immigrants are now the one immigrants are getting this driver's license more than their citizens. Yes, we are getting it more than their citizens. So I'm also urging you to start now, so that they will not change the rules tomorrow. So that they won't change the rules tomorrow, because when they see that black or immigrant foreigners are not getting something from, are not getting the thing, and their own person are not getting it, they want to make it hard for us. But God passed it. God passed them. So please, just start it and God will bless you. Subscribe, please. Don't fail to subscribe. Like and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Any other video, let me know and I will do it for you. Ciao for now.